That's my fucking motto. I always tell people, fuck no. I know society has taught you to be nice and gullible and always put others first. But today is that is where this ends. Always put yourself first. If someone is not willing to give to you, why are you so willing to give to them? Huh? Can you answer that? Because you were conditioned by the society to be the nice guy. And the nice guy doesn't finish last. He doesn't even start the race. So if you feel like somebody or anyone will not do the same in return for you for what they're asking for, I want you to look them in their eyes and tell them, fuck no! In the most polite manner. But today's video is how to give yourself a crispy lineup at home. All you need is some Andy T liners. That's it. Andy T liners. So without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into the video. Don't wanna hold y'all guys up. But I'm gonna show y'all a demo of ways I used to try to do it and it didn't work. And I'm gonna show y'all what works for me. And this video is how to line yourself up at home and get crispy. Let's go. Alright, let's proceed with the video. First thing we're gonna want to do is just gonna want to brush it down. Brush it down. I already lined myself up last night, so this is just a refresher video. I'm just gonna tap in the parts I already lined up. Beard coming in nicely. And guys, if you can't grow a beard, I know some great products that will grow your beard out in no time. You're gonna need some T-liners. First and foremost thing, you can use spritz on your hairline just to harden up where you brush down so you can see the hairs more. But this is the first step I tried to use and it didn't work for me when I used to line up. And that is just putting the clippers here, 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 and here. I wouldn't be able to see like that. So the method that I use is I push down on the forehead. Clip the clippers on. Make sure they on. Gotta make sure the clippers on now. If they ain't on, ain't nothing gonna cut. If it don't cut, then you ain't doing nothing. Alright. Push down on the forehead. That's gonna make it much easier to see. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I don't know why I had my hand on top of my head when I figured this out, but I was trying something and it helped me out a lot. Maybe help you out too. Let me know in the comments. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna tap. Alright, just like that. I don't want to put my line back up. I already lined myself up last night. So I don't want to go into it. I just want to hit what I hit it last night. You see how the visibility is better like that? Much better for me. The part where it's received, you just want to ghost line it. You don't want to go back in there. You don't want to ghost line that. Clippers made a funny noise. I don't like that. For the sides, you don't need your hand up there. So we can basically see the side. And we're just gonna tap it. You ain't gotta press down hard, just let the weight of the clippers work. Alright, for this you just wanna Like you're drawing with a pencil. You see that? Alright, so that concludes this video. I hope it helps. Let me know in the comments, like, subscribe. And your boy T, he out. Peace. And one more thing. Fuck no!